very good, excellent, very bad, terrible, very big, enormous, very small, tiny, very happy, delighted, very sad, miserable, very fast, rapid, very slow, sluggish, very smart, intelligent, very tired, exhausted, very hungry, starving, very beautiful, gorgeous, very ugly, hideous, very easy, effortless, very hard, difficult, very angry, furious, very cold, freezing, very hot, boiling, very interesting, fascinating,